Are you struggling to grow your brand online? Maybe you're spending hours in creating content, but nobody notices. Maybe you're spending a lot of money on ads, but not getting the desired results. Or maybe you are getting leads, but they are not getting converted into sales. If this sounds familiar to you, then watch this video because I have a solution for you. Hi, I'm Prajakta Fanse, a digital marketer and personal branding coach. I help business owners, consultants, and coaches to build their brand online and get high ticket clients. Today in this video, I will show you exactly how to overcome these problems and how to attract high paying clients without running after them. With the help of my VIP model, I will explain you a step-by-step process to get your desired results. So watch this video till end. There might be three big problems that you are facing right now. First is no visibility, no influence, and no profitability. Now, what is the solution? The solution is that you need to become a VIP. What do I mean by VIP? Here, V stands for visibility, I stands for influence, and P stands for profitability. Now, you have a solution for some problem, but the people don't know that you exist. No one knows that you exist. You don't have a unique voice, and you have not positioned yourself as a expert in particular field. So there are the people who are finding solution for their problem. You are an expert in your field, but because you are not visible to them, they are not able to reach out to you. So what is the solution? The simple solution is define your niche and a unique message. Create valuable content to showcase your expertise and use testimonials. These are the authority building strategies, my friend. If you don't brand yourself, you will stay invisible. But if you do, then clients will approach you. Now, let's address the second problem, that is, you are not getting engagement. You're posting consistently the content on social media, but there is no engagement or a very little engagement. So I can see there are two problems. One thing is that you don't have influence, or maybe you are not using the right strategies, or maybe you are inconsistent. Yes. Here, the solution is you have to use storytelling to create emotional connection. I will explain you with a story how to create that emotional connection, or how to bring that storytelling, how to bring that authenticity in your content so that the people will get engaged. People don't want perfection, but what they want is a story which will connect with them. Okay, so what you have to do is you have to post consistently, leverage the trending topics, engage with your audience with whatever you have, whatever knowledge you have, and you have to build that trust. Social media is a digital stage. The more visible you are, the more people listen to you, they trust you more and buy from you. Now, the next most important problem is profitability, that is, converting your followers into your loyal clients or customers. Now, this is awesome problem because you are getting leads, you are having a lot of followers, but no conversion, no money, no profits. Now, here the problems are that you don't have a system to attract leads, or maybe you are attracting wrong people, or maybe you are not nurturing your leads. And what can be the solution for this? The solution is simple. You have to create an irresistible lead magnet. Now, what do I mean by lead magnet? So there are various lead magnets, like you can create a free guide, a webinar, a short course, or an ebook. You can use direct messaging or email marketing to nurture the relationships, or Maybe you can have a structured sales funnel that turns those leads into paying clients. Remember, my friend, lead generation is not about chasing, it's about attracting and converting the right people into your clients. Sounds good, right? Now, let me explain you with a story. So, this is a story of a real woman, and this story will help you understand what is social media, what is fan following, how to get leads from social media, and what is your niche, how to find out that niche, what are your target audiences. So this is a story of a woman named Vrishali, and after giving birth to her second child, she was struggling with exhaustion, back pain, excess weight, and that was not moving at all. More than that, she felt lost, like she wanted to start her own business, but she herself was struggling with her own weight. She barely had some time to sleep. And one evening, very frustrated, she was going through social media. She was scrolling through social media, and she came across a very simple truth: your story is your strength. And something moved inside her. In the same getup, with her cell phone, she recorded a video with her messy hair, tired eyes, and without makeup, but full of passion. And you believe me, as your first video would be bad, your first stage appearance would be bad, your first webinar would be bad, but you cannot do the 100th one without doing your first. So she believed the same thing and she posted that video on social media. She got 23 likes and 5 comments. Small that may be, but it was enough for her to move ahead, and it was enough for her to regain that confidence. She started with simple 10 minutes postpartum healthy workouts. Then she talked about the real struggle that moms have to face after childbirth. She connected with the moms who were facing the similar problems on Facebook. On she started offering simple tips of motivation, but her real struggle started afterwards, because she was not getting desired results, she was not getting consistent income, consistent leads, and she was not earning out of it. So she decided to take help of experts, and boom, after taking help from the professionals, she started within 3 months, and she had more than 5,000 engaged followers. She had her first paid online client and a WhatsApp support group of thriving moms. Then she created her signature postpartum workout program. She had launched her simple landing page. She started with a question and answer session live, and then she got her desired results. She started with steady income online with online coaching, and she had a community of more than 15,000 moms, and she had a brand partnership with maternity activewear company. So all this was possible because Vishali didn't wait until she had everything perfect. She started with what she had: her experience, her passion, and a willingness to help and show up. And most importantly, she took help of experts. She started investing on her self development first and then on her marketing. Right from day one, this small investment, just like SIP, helped her to grow. So even if you want to grow yourself, you want to start your online business, or you want to uh, uh, create your own personal brand, then what are you waiting for? Just pick up your phone and book a call with me. Remember, your story is your brand, and authenticity attracts more people than perfection. So show up consistently, try to solve a specific problem. Prishali just didn't do fitness coaching, she specialized in postpartum fitness. And find what is your niche. Monetize strategically. Start with free value, offer some structured program. And community is the key. Your WhatsApp groups, Facebook groups, and even Telegram channels. Build space somewhere your clients feel supported, your audience feels supported. So just don't wait, just stop, don't stop yourself. Start it from today. Take a simple leap, book a call. Now you have seen the roadmap, you know the strategies, but let's be honest, knowing is not same as the doing. Every successful entrepreneur, coach, and business leader you admire didn't do it alone. They had mentors, they hired professionals, and they had shortcut to success. Now you have two options right now. Option one is spend months, maybe years figuring this out for your own. Countless hours testing strategies, watching YouTube videos, and trying to crack the algorithm. Or maybe wasted money on ads that don't convert, content that don't engage, and tactics that don't work. And the second option is get expert guidance and start seeing the results in weeks. A proven system tailored to your business, support and accountability to keep you on track, and direct access to strategies that high ticket clients respond to. Now pause for a moment and ask yourself, how much time and money have I spent trying to figure this out in past? What would change in my business if I had a step by step guide? Am I ready to finally take action and get the results? If your answer is yes, then let's make it happen. Click the link below and book a free strategy call with me. This isn't just another consultation, it's a start of a business transformation. But here is the catch, I only take a limited number of clients at a time. If you want personalized strategies, clear direction, and faster success, don't wait. Click below and book your call. Now, if you book a strategy call with me, then you are going to get two bonuses. That is how to grow your followers on Instagram, and second is how to find business on LinkedIn. So, why are you waiting for? Just book the call and get your bonuses.